In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fade header scroll effect in Wix Editor. First, open your site in the Wix Editor so you're working directly on the page where you want the effect. Make sure you're on the desktop canvas for the page you want to style, and wait for the editor to fully load so all design panels are available. Now click on your header to select it. This is the area at the very top of your page that usually contains your logo and navigation. When it's selected, you'll see its bounding box and toolbar. If your header is part of a strip or container, click specifically on the header layer until you see the header options appear, not the overall page or strip settings. With the header selected, open its settings. Depending on your template, the panel might be labeled Settings, Design, or a gear icon. In that panel, look for the option called Scroll Effects or Animation on Scroll. These labels can vary slightly, but you're looking for the controls that change how the header behaves as the page moves. Choose Fade as the scroll effect. The fade option transitions the header's transparency smoothly while the visitor scrolls, which is great for creating a clean, modern look that doesn't distract from your content. Next, adjust the start and end opacity. Opacity controls how visible the header is. 100% is fully solid, 0% is fully transparent. A common setup is starting at 100%, so your header is clear at the top, then fading toward a lower value as the user scrolls. If you want a subtle effect that keeps navigation readable, try a modest change like fading from 100% down to 70% or 60%, especially if your page background is busy. If your design calls for a dramatic reveal, you can go all the way to 0%, but ensure there's enough contrast so text and icons remain legible whenever they're meant to be seen. Finally, set the scroll range. This defines how far the user needs to scroll for the fade to complete. A longer range creates a gentle, gradual fade. A shorter range makes the transition snappier. If your header is sticky, the effect will apply across the defined range while it stays pinned. For fast scrolling pages, a slightly longer range often feels smoother and more intentional. That's all there is to it. By selecting your header, choosing fade under scroll effects, and tuning opacity and range, you can create a polished, professional transition that enhances your site's readability and style. If you need consistent behavior across pages, repeat these same settings on each header variation and keep mobile in mind. Subtle fades often work best on smaller screens.